Hi, I'm Ryan from Flooring Superstores. Today I want to talk to you about different locking systems on your floating floors. There's two main locking systems that we typically see with most floors, the first being angle to angle and the second being a drop lock. This board here is the angle to angle, where you engage the short side of the locking system first and then engage into your existing row, completing that row. The second type is what's called a drop lock. When you have your existing row, you install the groove side first, and then the tongue side locks into it, dropping straight down. In most cases, you can hear some type of a click as that locking system engages on the short side. Depending on the product and the manufacturer, they'll have different locking systems that will engage slightly different. It's important to understand what type of locking system your flooring that you've purchased has to make your installation an easier process. I hope this helps.